Bitcoin just hit 50K. I'm Ari Shah, and today we're going to talk about how Bitcoin has hit 50K, what it means for the market, is Bitcoin too expensive, and what should you be doing with your portfolio? Are we in alt season? Should we be investing in Ethereum? Should we be investing in these smaller cap coins, or should we be accumulating Bitcoin? All right, so let's get into it. So let's look at the recent news, and we can see that Coinbase is going to be IPOing soon. Bitcoin's price volatility may hamper its progress above 50K, JP Morgan says. They say a lot of things, but crypto wallet startup blockchain.com raises 20 million from investors, including Google. You see this, guys? Institutional funding, big companies like Tesla started the train. Now Google is getting involved. People have been talking about Apple pouring $1 to $5 billion into Bitcoin. Right here, Microstrategy boosts latest debt for Bitcoin offering to 900 million. Dubai Free Zone becomes first UAE government entity to accept Bitcoin. Guys, this is not something to just laugh at. America is behind on digital policies, and the rest of the world is implementing them, and America will eventually join the boat. As we're printing a lot of money. People are scared that the value of the dollar is going to go down. The government just said that we're going to stop these big corporations from buying Bitcoin. I don't think they can, and I honestly believe that that is a testament to how strong Bitcoin is. America is scared that the US dollar is going to go down because of Bitcoin. It's not going to go down because of Bitcoin or crypto. It's going to go down because of decisions we've made during the last year to 2 years. Printing all this money is not going to help us in any way. However, with the fiasco with Robinhood, people are looking to put their money somewhere else. And when there's so many better alternatives, you have to really consider cryptocurrency. And Bitcoin is the king of cryptocurrency. It was the first to market and is a storage of value. We talk about how crypto is digital gold. All right. So let's look at Bitcoin. All right. Bitcoin hit over 50,000. Let's look at the last 3 months. $51,000. We hit $51,000 today. Guys, I know it looks like Bitcoin is expensive, but it is not expensive. It is not expensive. And you still have an opportunity to get it right under 50K. The volatility is huge, so it's going to go back and forth. But once we are past that 50K and we start going sideways, we're going to create some stability. All right. So let's take one more look at the last month. Okay. $51,011. And let's look at the last week. And let's just look at today. So just for you guys to see the type of volatility we have. Bitcoin was at 48,000, passes 50,000, and you can see that as soon as it we're at 49, 49, 49, 49, 49, 49, 49. Okay, we get right above 50, and you see a lot of people are starting to have their sell-offs. A lot of people have stop losses and they take profits throughout the bull cycle. It really depends what your strategy is. If you feel like this super cycle of cryptocurrency isn't going to end for the next 4 years, then no problem, keep holding Bitcoin. If you think that we're going to have this cycle like we did 3 years ago and 3 to 4 years ago in 2017, then within the next 8 to 12 months, you're going to want to retain and realize some profits. Remember, if it goes all the way up and you become a millionaire, you're not a millionaire if it goes all the way back down. All right. So we need to have an exit strategy, but it is looking good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is moving the market. If you've been watching our channel, you know we're also a big believer in Ethereum. And we believe that in the top 10, Ethereum is the best safe coin to go for. Everything is being built on Ethereum. And when you look at Ethereum's chart, you see so much stability. And since it passed 1,000, it's just been climbing, and it's created a great stability to, like, if the market does crash, it's not going to go all the way to $400. Let's see the last month. You guys see this? We have a lot of resistance levels, and everyone thought Bitcoin was going to go over 50K. People are wondering, was Bitcoin going to go over 50K first, or was Ethereum going to go to 2,000 first? And it looks like Bitcoin went first, but Ethereum is undervalued, and they have proven the utility. Everything is built on the Ethereum network. Yes, they have some flaws here and there, but I believe that by the end of the year, Ethereum will at least touch $10,000. You'll have some people go even farther. BitBoy Crypto predicts $27,000. So yeah, this is a good buy. This is a good buy. I don't believe Ethereum will stay under 2,000 for very long. And guys, I want you to really think about moving a portion of your money into cryptocurrency if you haven't already, and create a strategy, a safe strategy. You can see on our chart, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, and Cardano. Those are four of the safest, in my opinion, picks to have with great growth potential. When you look at coin market cap and you go down here and you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is right under $1 trillion. Once it hits $55,000, Bitcoin will hit $1 trillion market cap. You 10x that, and now institutional funds can't ignore it. The first trillion is going to be the hardest. The next 9 is going to be easier. So don't be surprised if you see Bitcoin go well over 100,000. Don't be surprised, guys, if you see $500,000 Bitcoin. All right. You think I might sound crazy, but the proof is in the pudding, and Bitcoin has proven itself. Banks don't like cryptocurrency. Governments don't want to like cryptocurrency, but it's inevitable. It is inevitable. All right. So guys, I'm telling you, scoop up some Bitcoin. If you can get it under 50,000, that'd be really cool. I don't know if it'll go back under, but if it does, go for it. We see Ethereum just slowly climbing up, but Polkadot passed Cardano today, and it's been back and forth. And people ask me, should you buy Polkadot or should you buy Cardano? And I recommend both. They're both excellent. Polkadot and Cardano both have co-founders of Ethereum, Dr. Gavin Wood for Polkadot and Charles Hoskinson for Cardano. Polkadot isn't a tribalistic type coin. He truly wants to make the world better. And that's what I love about Cardano and Polkadot. The founders, Charles Hoskinson for Cardano and Dr. Gavin Wood for Polkadot, they seem to have left Ethereum because they wanted to create something better for the people. So Ethereum is the king of DeFi. But when you look at their market cap, you see it's over 200 billion. And then you see Cardano and Polkadot, which have outperformed these coins at 27 and 26 billion. They were at 20 billion a month ago. All right. So that's important to look at, guys. That what if they are the Ethereum killers, right? Their tech is better, supposedly. They've accounted for the flaws that Ethereum has. Ethereum hasn't even come out with stake of it. Coins are staked, but you have to hold them there, and they haven't released anything. And I'm sure Cardano and Charles Hoskinson is very aware of when Ethereum will fix their issues. They're having issues with Uniswap and congested gas fees and people paying too much and taking advantage of the retail investor. You'll see people like PancakeSwap, that's built on the Binance Smart Chain, start to go get a lot of the market share that Uniswap has. That being said, Uniswap is still killing it. They hit an all-time new high, and solutions such as Unistake are coming to the front of the line to be a part of the king of DeFi, which is Ethereum. It helps those coins to be a part of that ecosystem, but do not sleep on Polkadot and Cardano. All right, guys. So Bitcoin is undervalued, and I'm telling you to buy. Ethereum is undervalued, and I'm telling you to buy. Polkadot is undervalued, and I'm telling you to buy. Cardano is undervalued, and I'm telling you to buy. If there's 4 coins I could say to buy to be safe, those are it. Because Polkadot and Cardano have the ability to outpace both Bitcoin and Ethereum. But we don't know that for sure, right? We don't know when this cycle is going to end, right? I can tell you all I want. Other analysts, other YouTubers can tell you all they want, but we just don't know. All right, guys, that's all we have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you found it valuable, I would love if you smash the like button, follow, click the bell button, and I'll see you next time with some more gems.